Hi everyone, and welcome to 1-800-GUNSANDAMMO.com. I'm your host, Trampa Swanson. Our article this week, we're taking a look at a new model pistol from the folks at Glock. This is the G45. The Glock G45 is actually considered one of their Gen 5 models. It offers front slide serrations for you press checkers out there, as well as an ambidextrous slide stop and flared magazine well. Gone from this model, however, is the highly controversial U-notch cutout in the front strap. To go ahead and clear a little confusion that's been common from what I've seen so far, the Glock 45 is actually chambered in 9mm. To test and evaluate the Model 45, we not only shot on the outdoor range here in the swamp, but we took a trip down to Orange Park, Florida to shoot on the indoor range with our friends at On Target Sports. Let's check out some of the action from the test sessions now. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed what you saw on the range today. We had a lot of fun shooting this gun and proved that the G45 holds to Glock's tradition of being accurate, durable, and reliable. To find out more about this gun chambered in 9mm, go to 1-800-GUNSANDAMMO.com today and find the Glock that's right for you. Thanks for viewing.